Sakubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela kusifundo 8 esamabala esiNdebele. I'll be teaching you indoor items in this lesson, and so we'll touch on items you find in the kitchen, items you find around the house. Let's learn the Ndebele names in this lesson. My name is Bonyo Mdambo. Let's get started. Asiqalise. So here we have a table which we call in Ndebele itafula. So if you wanted to say, yesterday I bought a new table, in Ndebele you would say, izolo ngithenge itafula entsha. Let's say this together. Izolo ngithenge itafula entsha. Are you managing to say that? I hope you are. Right, moving on. We have here isitulo. Okay, so here is how you say this chair is lovely. Isitulo lesi sihle. Isitulo lesi sihle. The bag is called isikhwama in Ndebele. Okay, if you wanted to ask the question, where is my bag? Here is what you are going to say. Singaphi isikhwama sami. So the moment you put sami there, you're saying mine, my bag. Okay, singaphi isikhwama sami. Umbheda. Okay, if you wanted to say this bag, this bed is big. Umbheda lowu mkhulu. Are you managing to say that? Umbheda lowu mkhulu. Okay. A window in Ndebele is called ifastela. Okay? Ifastela. How you say open the window? Vula ifastela. So vula is open. What about vala? Vala is close, right? And here we have umnyango, the door. Okay? Umnyango. Vula umnyango means open the door, right? Pretty simple. Moving on, we have umduli. So umduli is a wall, all right? Umduli. If you wanted to say wash the wall, in Ndebele you'd say gezisa umduli. It's an instruction. Gezisa umduli, all right? How about go and wash the wall? Hamba uyogezisa umduli. Make sense? Perfect. A tap in Ndebele is called impompi. Okay? Impompi. Close the tap would be vala impompi. What about open the tap? Vula impompi, isn't it? Perfect. Then we have a pot, which in Ndebele we call imbiza. Are you saying it after me? Imbiza. Okay. You want to say, bring that pot. Okay. You are going to say, leta imbiza leyo. Okay. Leta is bring. Imbiza leyo is that pot. All right, makes sense? We call a plate umganu ngesindebele. Angithi umganu. So now we want to say bring that plate. You're going to say letha umganu lowo. All right. Letha umganu lowo. So it's always letha, bring. What do you call the cup in Ndebele? Inkomicho, right? Inkomicho. So let's keep practicing how to say bring that thing. So in this case, you're going to say bring that cup. Letha inkomicho leyo. Okay. And then the spoon, we call it ispunu in Ndebele. How would you say bring that spoon? Letha isipunu leso. All right, letha isipunu leso. I'm sure you're noticing that according to the word that we're talking about, there's there are different ways to say that thing. Isipunu leso, but with inkomicho we said what? Inkomicho leyo. Umganu we said umganu lo. So with time you're going to know which word to use with leso or leyo or lo. Okay, initially you just need to take it as it is. Like right now you already know that isipunu is leso. So whenever you're using isipunu in a sentence, you know that if you want to say that spoon, then you're going to say isipunu leso, right? So you learn the words as you go. You learn them as you go. All right, moving on. This, we call it ifolokwe. Okay, coming from the word fork in English. How would you say bring that fork? Letha ifolokwe leyo. Did you get that right? Letha ifolokwe leyo. Angisho. And then the knife is called inqamu in Ndebele. Inqamu. Letha inqamu leyo. Bring that knife. All right? Letha inqamu leyo. Don't worry if you can't say this particular syllable. If you can't say nqa the way I say it, just say it however it sounds to you and keep practicing. Keep practicing until you get there. All right. And then moving on, we have got the bottle, which we call imbodlela. Ngesindebele. All right. Imbodlela. So how would you say bring that bottle? Letha imbodlela leyo. Angithi letha imbodlela leyo. And then we have the stove, which we call istove in Ndebele. So you want to say here, you want to say switch off the stove. How do you say that? Cisha isitofu. I'll say it again. Cisha isitofu. Okay. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.